chemical engineering, we take scientific principles, chemistry, biology, physics, and also mathematics, and we use those to solve problems. So there's a whole variety of jobs, because wherever you have products, you have chemical engineers. So whether it's food and drink, health and well-being, oil and gas more traditionally, or whether it's in renewable energy, you'll find chemical engineers. And that's true in society. Almost everything you'll come across somewhere, there'll be some element of chemical engineering.
Studying chemical engineering would have you here for 4 or 5 years, depending on whether you're doing the BEng or the MEng. Working together to solve problems, which is really what engineering is all about.
Our curricula covers all different aspects of chemical engineering, with a special focus on grand challenges such as climate change, the decarbonization of the chemical industry, the generation and storage of green energy, or biomedical applications.
The first year engineering is an interdisciplinary course where you'll work alongside mechanical, civil, electrical engineers, and each group of engineers gets a chance to develop some aspects of their own engineering, but in an interdisciplinary context, in other words, working alongside other engineers.
In third year, there's the opportunity to study abroad, so that you spend the whole of the third year doing an equivalent course in another university in chemical engineering, which would form part of your degree.
In third year, I was lucky enough to go to National University of Singapore, and through this I was able to become a lot more independent in my studies, learning in a completely different culture and country, and being able to explore that part of the world.
The undergraduate degrees, it's important to say, are accredited by IChemE, which means they're what industry wants. We get involved with the students throughout their time at Edinburgh, from induction all the way through to final year, running sessions in class time and also outside of class time that students can opt to come to help them think about their next steps, prepare for placements and internships, and make strong applications.
The main placement opportunity for our students comes in 5th year. So they spend 6 months out in industry, and that can be in any industry related to chemical engineering.
I had the incredible opportunity to work with PX Limited as part of my student placement. While there, I got to work as part of the technical safety team, examining process safety and how to improve plant safety in general. It's something that I'll definitely always value, as it gave me my first real opportunity to work as part of an engineering team, doing real work on an active plant, one that is incredibly important.
I had a summer placement with my current supervisor, and I found I really enjoyed the research, so I decided to continue my PhD in Edinburgh.
Research impacts teaching in a big way, and one has to understand that the research of today is the textbooks of tomorrow. And our teaching staff include a lot of the research expertise in their teaching and in their lectures, and the undergraduate students can benefit from that.
So the teaching is exceptional, and what I like the most about the lecturers is their clear commitment to wanting the students to understand everything that they are learning.
Chemical engineering students here at the University of Edinburgh have the opportunity to learn from the very best in their fields. People that have a wide experience both in industry and academia, and that care about our students. Teachers that will make sure that once you finish your degree, you are the best chemical engineers that you can be.
I would absolutely recommend the University of Edinburgh to anyone thinking about studying here. It has an amazing student culture, fantastic lectures, and a perfect support network that will help you from your first day to your last.